أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة على أعدائهم من الآن إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, I hope everyone is well. And as I mentioned last lesson, we will do the exercise of lesson number. Which ones? Who remembers?
I think 8 is still left, a few exercises from lesson 8.
Yes. So what I recollect is lesson number 7 and 8.
Lesson number 7, exercise 1, we had to answer the questions.
That's
So
right.
that. And lesson number 8, exercises as well.
That's right. That's right. Brilliant. Okay. As you've been away, Sister Zahra, for 2 lessons, Bismillah, if you'd like to come on the mic and start from lesson exercise 1. Bismillah.
This is lesson 8.
This is lesson. Let me just go to lesson number 8. Lesson number 8, exercise 1. Yes. So it says, Ajib anil as'ilat al-atiya musta'milan al-muthanna. Answer the following questions by making the dual for the nouns itself.
Okay. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Kam qalaman indaka. How many pens do you have? In the qalmani.
In the kalamani.
Qalamani. I have 2 pens.
Correct. Next
one.
Yeah.
Kam kitaban indaka. How many books do you have? In the kitabani. I have 2 books.
Excellent. And do you remember one thing as well? When you was listening to the recording, is that I mentioned that whenever the word kam comes, the noun which comes after kam is always mansub.
Yes.
And it's singular. But the singular indicates upon the plural itself.
Yes.
Brilliant. Continue.
Kam sabburatan fi faslikum. How many writing boards are in your classroom?
Correct.
Fi faslikum.
No. The question is addressed to you.
Fi faslina.
Fi faslina, correct.
Fi faslina sabburatani. We have 2 writing boards.
Correct.
In our classroom, there are 2 writing boards. Kam riyalan indaka al-ana ya Layla. How many riyals do you have now, O Layla? So it will be lahu, indi riyalani al-an.
Indi riyalani al-an, correct.
I have 2 riyals now. Next one.
Yes, please.
Kam ukhtan laka ya Ali. How many sisters do you have, O Ali? So it will be li ukhtani. I have 2 sisters.
Correct.
Can I ask you something, please?
Yes, you can. Bismillah.
Number 4.
Yep.
It is addressing to Layla, so it should be in the Riyalatani, right?
No. Good question. The thing is that the word real, it's depending upon. So it's talking about the real. It's not talking about Layla herself. So the real itself, it's the way it comes is real. So realani. There's no need to make it feminine because the commodity itself, it's masculine. So it remains masculine regardless a female possesses it itself.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Kam amman laki ya Aminatu. How many uncles do you have, O Amina? Li Ammani. I have 2 uncles.
Correct.
Kam Sadiqan Laka Ya Muhammad. How many friends do you have, O Muhammad? Lahu. No, Indi Sadiqani.
No, so you here say Kam Sadiqan Laka. So you can take it, say from there, you use in the for relatives and friends, you use Li.
Okay.
So we Li
Li
Sadiqani.
Sadiqani. Okay.
Correct.
Li Sadiqani. Kam Taliban Jadidan fi faslikum. So how many new students are in your classroom?
Correct.
Fi faslina Talibani Jadidani. In our classroom are 2 new students.
Excellent.
Kam masjidan fi qaryatika ya Zakaria. How many mosques are there in your village, O Zakaria? We can say like in my village,
Yes.
qaryati,
You see-
fi qaryati masjidani.
Correct.
In my village are 2 mosques. Kam funduqan fi hadha shari'. How many hotels are in this street? Hadha shari' fi hadha shari' funduqani.
Correct.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Kam akhan laki ya Suad. How many brothers do you have, O Suad? Li akhawani. I have 2 brothers.
Yeah. So they've actually put it in the brackets as well here. Al akhu is singular. It's muthanna. It's dual. It's akhawani. So akhawani is the actual dual itself. Okay.
Okay.
Jazakallah. I'm going to bring Sister Sadia, as she's been going for a bit of a tough time. Sister Sadia, would you be able to come on the mic?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Bismillah. Can you read 1 to 6?
1 to 6 from Iqra Waqtu.
Yes, please.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Number 1 is Halidu lahu abnani wa bintani. Khalid has two sons and 2 daughters.
Correct.
في هذا البيت غرفتان كبيرتان. In my house, in this house, there are 2 big rooms.
Correct.
Fatimatu laha tiflani sagirani. Fatima has 2 small children. Li ainani wa uznani. Just a second, it's not very clear. Li ainani wa uznani wa yadani wa rijlani. Actually, rijlani, I couldn't understand the meaning of that. I was thinking 2 men.
No, rajulun is man. Rijlani means 2 legs.
2 legs. Okay. So I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, and 2 legs.
Correct.
Fi hazal hayyi madrasatani. In our, it could be city, district, or neighborhood.
Yes.
There are 2. Yeah, there are 2 madrasatani, 2 schools. Salatul Fajri rakatani. In Fajr prayers, there are 2 rakats.
Correct. So the main theme, as you would understand, is that when you are making the dual for a noun, which is masculine, it's adding alif and nun. For example, tiflun, tiflani. And if it's female, like kabiratun, kabiratani. So you have the ta for feminine, and you add the alif and nun together.
Yeah.
And then the last 4, please.
Just a second. Lil baiti miftahani. In the miftahani means Miftahan,
Yeah, for the house, there are two keys.
keys. Okay, 2 keys. For this house, there are 2 keys. Can we do like this way? For this house, there are 2 keys.
For this house, well, the thing is that if we, yeah, it's correct for this house, but only thing is that if you were doing like a dictation, then you
Mhm.
may add hada as well. So you can say
Okay.
for the house
Yeah,
are 2 keys.
are 2 keys there. Okay. So next one is 7-1. I can't see the 7, but this is, yeah. Liman hatanil bakaratani. For whom for whom hatani bakaratani hatan.
For
So
whom
these 2
these-
cows belong
yeah.
to. Yeah. Yeah. In this one, we will say these because hatani. Huma lil falahi. This is huma. They are of the farmer, for the farmer.
They are for the farmer.
Farmer. Ahazanil tabibani min and kaltara is these doctors. These 2 doctors are from England.
Correct.
La huma min Faransa. No, they both are from France. Fi Karyati Masjidani Sagirani. In my village, there are 2 small mosques.
Correct. Excellent.
Thank
Can you finally choose an let me just see
The
who
next student,
sorry?
the next student you are saying?
Yes.
Batul Manji, did she have go or not?
Yeah, she has another chance now.
She already. Najma Khan.
No, Butuljan. No, Sister Butuljan Manji has another chance. That's fine.
Fine.
Sister Butul Manji, Bismillah.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Alaikum salam, doctor. You've just joined. We haven't started anything as much. We're just in revision and doing the exercises yet. So can you start from exercise 3?
Yeah, fill in the blanks with suitable words and vocalize them with the correct endings. Kam oktan laka. How many? That's it, ne?
Kam ukhtan laka. How many sisters are there for you?
How many sisters do you have or are there for you?
Yeah. Or do you have? That's fine.
Kam kalamun indaka. How many pens do you have?
Kam qalaman.
Kalaman. So kam, how many?
Yep. How many pens do you have?
Yeah. Then kam sayyaratan fi al jamiat.
Fil jamiati.
Jamiati. So how many cars in the college?
In the university.
University. Kam kitaban indaka.
Correct.
How many books do you have? Kam amman laka. How many uncles do you have?
Excellent.
Kam masjidan fi hadha sharia. How many masjids are there on this road?
In the street.
This street.
Excellent. MashaAllah, very good.
Kam mudarrasatan fi qaryatik. In your, how many teachers in your college?
In your village.
In your qaryat, in your village.
Correct.
Kam saburatan fi fasli kum. How
Excellent.
many blackboards in your class?
Excellent. Ahsanti.
Kam in Aidan fi as-sana. How many Eids in an year?
Excellent. MashaAllah.
Kam lidaraja. The Raja
bicycle.
bicycle. So what are the wheels called?
Ajalatan. Kam ajalatan.
Kam ajalatan lidaraja.
Correct.
Kam nafizatan fi gurfatik.
Excellent. Just one question. Have you wrote the answers down, or are you doing this simultaneously?
No, some I have not done, some I have done.
MashaAllah, that's very good. That's very good. Ahsante. Can we have next, as Sister Saadi mentioned, Batul Manji? So, Sister Najma Kanani.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So the next exercise is change the subject in the following sentences to dual. So hada kitabun is singular, so you need to change it to dual. Hadani kitabani. Bismillah.
Okay. Hada kalamun. This is a pen. Hadani kalamani. These are two pens. Hadihi mistaratun. Mistaratun.
Correct.
This is I don't know what it is. Mister. Oh yeah, sorry. This is a ruler.
Correct.
Okay. Hatani mistaratani. Yeah.
Yep.
These are two rulers.
Correct.
Hada talibun. Hadani talibani.
Hadan Taliban. Excellent.
Okay. Hada talibatun. This is a female student. Hadani. Hatani talibatani.
Hatani Talibatani. Correct.
Okay. Hada arrajulu mudarrisu. This is
Mudarrisun.
mudarrisun. This is a.
No, this man.
This man is a teacher. Yeah.
Correct.
Hadani rajulani mudarrisani.
Sani.
Mudarrisani. Yeah.
Correct.
Hada talibu min Hindi. This student is from Hind, from
Correct.
India. Hadani talibani min Hind. Hadihi sa'atu min Yabani. Hadani sa'atani minal Yaban.
Correct.
This watch is from Japan. Hadihi sayyaratu lil mudir. This car belongs to the manager, mudir. Yeah.
Correct.
Hatani sayyaratani lil
Mudiri.
mudiri.
Correct.
Liman hada miftahu. For whom is this key? Liman hadani miftahani. Yeah. Liman hadihi mil'aqatu. For whom is this ruler?
No, spoon.
Spoon. Mil'aqati. Yeah. Mil'aqatu. Liman hadani mil'aqatani.
Correct.
Okay.
Excellent. Can I choose?
Please. Can I ask a question, please?
Yes, Doctor.
This Muhazani, Rajulani, Mudarasani, shouldn't it be Muhazani, Rijalin, Mudarasani? Rijalin, because it's plural, Rajul.
No, so because we're doing a dual, we're not doing plurals. So we have
Dual is still Rajul.
Rajulani.
But is it more? It's more than two. Then be
Yeah.
Rijalani, isn't it?
Yeah. So
Right.
in Arabic
It's still
language,
Rajul.
in Arabic language, you have
Yes.
singular, you have dual, and
Uh-huh.
more than two
Yes.
is plural.
Yes.
So
Asant.
yeah, so Hazani, Rajulani,
Rajulani.
Mudarisani.
Asant.
Stay on the mic, doctor.
Asant.
Bismillah, stay on the mic. Bismillah, as you're on the mic, Bismillah, stay on the mic. I want you to do exercise 5, 6, and the new words. Go ahead, doctor. So read and write the following nouns with the correct endings. Go ahead, doctor. Dr. Rahim. Dr. Rahim, you're on silent. Dr. Rahim. Dr. Mustafa Rahim, can you unmute yourself?
As I unmuted this.
Yes, Bismillah.
هذه طالبة means this is a female student. And what do you do? طالبتان, make dual.
If you could
What
kindly
are you supposed to do?
let's do from exercise 5, 6.
Of exercise 5. Okay. Go exercise 5. It is اقرأ الكلمة التي بكتبها مع الذبح أواخرها. Means you have to put the last part of the word.
Correct.
It says kalbani should be kalbani.
Correct.
Maktabani.
Correct.
Kamisani.
Correct.
Akhawani.
Correct.
Mindilani.
Correct.
Misterani. Ukhtani. Imratani.
Excellent. And
Right. The kasra in the dual.
Excellent. That's
Hassan.
correct. Now continue. Write the dual of the
Alright.
following words.
Sunna al-kalimatu al-atiya means you make the dual of the following words. Sayyaratu, sayyaratun, tabibatun, tabibatun.
No.
Waladun,
Doctor, what you're doing, you're making the plurals. We're not doing the plurals. You're doing the dual. But the dual is sayyaratani. Alif.
Sayyaratani. Oh yes, sayyaratani. Sayyaratani. Ahsant. Sayyaratani. Tabibatani, Waladani, Wildani, Lugatani, Siddikani, Tajirani, Milakatani, Mudarrisani, Babani, Ismani, Hazani, Hazihi, Hatani.
Excellent. Can you kindly read the new words as well? Al-kalimatu al-jadidatu.
Al-kalimatu al-jadidatu. Come al-Eid. Come means how many?
Yep.
Al-Eid means festival. Al-ajalatu, Jum'ah is ajalatun. Ajala means a wheel. And ajalatun means wheels. Al-hayyu means a place where people are living, a settlement. Ahya'u means settlements. Riyalu means riyal. Jum'ah is riyalatu. Ruka'atu is a prayer, part of prayer. Ruka'atu is a Jum'ah of it, means plural of it. Al-Mistaratu is a ruler. And Jum'ah is masatiru.
So is the word Jim stands for jump. Jump means plural.
Jump is plural.
Yeah.
Jump is plural.
Excellent. Okay, I'm not going to do this because we've done this point to remember before. So I'm going to go on over here. So before I do this, exercise 9. Okay, I want you to, doctor, read 3 to 10, please. So then I'll explain something. Yeah.
Inshallah. Ikra waktub thalathatu tullabin means 3 students. Sab'atu tullabin means 7 students. Arba'atu tullabin means 4 students.
No, doctor, go down.
Go down.
Yeah.
Sorry. Khamsatu tullabu means 5 students. Sittatu tullabin means 6 students. Sab'atu tullabu means 7 students. Tullabin 7 students. And samaniyatu tullabin means 8 students. Tis'atu tullabin means 9 students. Ashratu tullabin means 10 students.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you ever so much for that. Now I need to mention a point for everyone and refresh everyone's memory. Now I'm gonna who should choose next? Who has been away for sister? Can I choose kindly Sister Sadiqa Jafar?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Sister Sadiqa, as you can see from 3 to 10,
Yeah.
now you will see the word 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What do you see? There's a similarity in all of these words. There's a one letter in particular, all of them have.
They have all got ta marbuta.
Excellent, that's the point. So this is the point you need to remember, that whenever a noun which you're counting, the thing which you're counting is masculine. So talibun is masculine and tulabun is the plural for boys, correct?
Yeah.
Now, what happens in Arabic language, whatever the gender of the thing which you're counting is, the opposite gender numbers are used, because tulab is masculine. Now the numbers will be feminine.
Okay.
So it will not be, it will be thalathatu instead of being thalatha. If it's thalatha, it's masculine words, and thalathatu is a feminine word, number, sorry, a feminine number, and because tulab is masculine, so the feminine numbers are used. Is that clear for everyone?
Yeah.
And if the thing is feminine, masculine numbers will be used?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Now, again, please, once again.
yes.
So opposites are used.
The thing which is being counted, if it is masculine, if it's a masculine noun, then the numbers will be feminine, and if the thing which you're counting is feminine, then the numbers will be masculine.
Okay.
Sheikh, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
You started from 3, Salasa. What about 1 and 2?
With those itself, they correspond with each other.
Same thing is. So,
No. Correspond, and not the same thing.
okay.
Corresponding meaning that they follow each other. So if it's rajulun wahidun, it's sifa mawsuf.
Okay.
So if it's 2 women, it'll be imra'atani, imra'atani. So there's no numbers which are used there, because the noun itself is able to change.
Oh, yes.
Two.
So what about for number 1? Number 1, what did you say? Can you
It
repeat?
follows each other. It's exactly the same.
Exactly.
So,
the same.
yeah, imra'atun.
Can I ask something?
Let me answer one question, please. Give me 2 seconds, Zora. So imra'atun wahidatun,
Okay.
rajulun wahidun. It's only
Okay,
from
thank
3 to 10. Yes, this is Zora. Bismillah.
So you have, you have from 3 to 5, you have thalasatu tullabi,
Correct.
and the tullabi goes genitive.
Yes, it's
Is it
mudaf mudaf ilayh.
mudaf ilayh?
Exactly. Yeah.
So how
It is
would you
mudaf
translate it?
ilayh.
Sheikh, can you translate it in
So-
literal?
Yeah, so the relationship of 3 and tulab is mudaf mudaf ilayh, but when you translate, you don't translate it as mudaf mudaf ilayh, but you translate it as 3 students.
Yes.
Oh, 3 students, because I would get confused and think 3 of the students.
No.
No.
You just say 3 students, 4 students, 5 students. That's the way you do it. You don't translate the
Okay.
meaning of mudaf mudaf ilayh.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Thank you.
No problem. Now, where I'm going to show you. Just 1 second. I think there's a message in the group. Right. We've done this read and write before. We haven't done the exercise now. So we're going to do the
Sheikh, I've got another question to ask. Yeah, please.
Go ahead.
Okay. Now the thing is about this genitive problem. Yeah. You say salasatu
Yep.
tulabin. Okay.
Yep.
Now I know it doesn't make sense, but if they have a preposition in front, does the salasatu become salasati? Like, you know, from
Sister,
three students.
I'm not gonna answer this question. Instead, Mr. Homazadi. Mr. Homazadi.
Yes, Sheikh.
Can you answer this question? You should know that. You should know the answer to this question because you answered this question last lesson. Remember?
Which question?
This one here. Yeah. So remember, I'll show you. Where's it gone? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me just find it.
It's page 59, lesson 8.
No. In lesson number 10, they've actually got it there. They're actually showing you that. That's
the madud.
Yeah, this one here. Remember this? خرج ثلاثة طلاب في أربعة بيوت رأيت خمسة رجال. Do you remember that?
Page 69.
Page 69. That's the answer for Sister Najma Kanani.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Rijalan.
Yes, can you explain that? What's happening here?
Here,
okay, I got the point now.
Is the doer, Khamsata is the object, and Rijalan is the muzafala of that. All.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah. So in the Thalathatu Tullabin, it's the doer. So here it's Thalathatu. The number itself is getting a dhamma because it's coming after the verb. So it's 3 students exited. Now in the next case, it's in a genitive case. Fi arba'ati. Correct, Sister Homa?
Yes.
And because of fi is coming before the word for, it's fi arba'ati. And it's mudaf.
I don't know where are we, sir?
Page 69.
It's on the screen.
Page 69.
Page 69.
Page 69.
Yes. Got it, but where is the?
This here.
Okay.
Let me explain to you something. Let me put the question again and answer the question. The question which was asked, we are saying thalathatu tullabin. Now, if a preposition comes before the numbers, do the numbers still remain with a dhamma or do they change?
They will change.
Excellent. They will change according to who is doing the action. Now, Sister Homa, I want you to answer now. In kharaja thalathatu tullabin, why is thalathatu coming with a dhamma?
Because the first kharaja is a verb. So
correct. And thalathatu is situated in which position?
It will be the number is it would be object and subject to.
No, it's a subject. It's a file.
Subject.
Yeah. It's a file. We haven't got an object here. We just got the file.
Sentence.
So file. This is a doer of the action. So 3 students exited. So 3 students exited. And the next one, fi arba'ati buyutin. So why is it fi arba'ati, sister?
Again, because it's the preposition we have first.
Correct.
So and it gets a kasra.
Yes. And we are giving it kasra and it's also mudaf. So we cannot see fi arba'atin because every mudaf is prevented from getting a tanween. So we can give it 1 kasra, fi arba'ati, and buyutin is mudaf ilay.
So that's the whole kasra.
Yes. And next one, ra'aytu khamsata riyalin. Why is it khamsata? I saw.
That's because ra'aytu is the doer or the subject, and khamsata is the object.
Subject and verb.
And then it becomes also the muzaf, and rijalan is muzaf alayh. So Yeah, these things happening here.
Excellent. Is that clear now, Sister Najma?
Yes. One more question. Are all the sorry, I'm asking this. Yeah, are all the numbers diptotes?
No.
No.
So why have we got salasa too? Oh, it's the first part of mudaf ilay. Okay,
Correct.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Right.
So, sir, salasatu is muzaf
Yes.
and tulabin is
Mudaf ilay.
muzaf ilay. Okay.
Correct.
Jazakallah.
Correct. Okay, now I'm gonna bring, what was that? That was quite noisy. Right. Can I choose Sister Matsuma? Sister Matsuma, are you there?
Yeah, I am, Sheikh. Is it okay if you is it okay if I only listen today? I've got a really bad sore throat and
Okay.
I can hardly speak. Sorry, Sheikh.
No, problem. Sister Sakina, Karamali, Sister Sakina Karamali, are you there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Would you be able to kindly do this exercise here and explain to me why are you using thalathu or thalathatu? So here, kam akhan laka ya Hamidu.
So how many brothers do you have, O Hamid?
Yep.
So I have to answer with number 5.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Indi khamsatu akhun. Akhin.
So in the khamsatu, word, just 1 second, doctor. So it's 5. So akhun, what's the plural of akhun?
Oh yeah. Akhawatun.
No, akhun ikhwatun.
Ikhwatun.
So let me show you over here. Give me 1 second. Before I do the exercise, let me go back. So li arba'atu ikhwatin. So the word number is 4 because ikhwatun is masculine, even though it has a time marbuta, but it's treated as a masculine word.
Yep.
So over here it'll be li khamsatu Sister Sakina, are you there?
Sorry. Ikhwatin.
Li khamsatu.
Li khamsatu ikhwatin.
Correct. Next one.
Kam amman laki ya Layla. So how many uncles do you have, O Layla?
Correct.
And then it'll be li arba'atu ammatin.
Li arba'atu a'mamin.
A'mamin. Okay.
A'mamin. So ammun plural is a'mamun.
Okay. And then Kam ibnan laka ya Shaykhu. How many sons do you have, O Sheikh?
6.
So it will be li sittatu.
Abna, the word abna'un is the plural.
Abna'in.
Abna'in. So repeat this whole sentence. Li.
Sittatu abna'in.
Correct.
So I have 6 sons. And then kam su'alan fi hada darsi. So how many questions in this lesson?
Yep.
So it will be fi hada darsi. ثمانية دروس.
No. Okay, this is a difficult one. I'll help you this one. The word su'al is question,
Oh,
And-
yes, after plural
Yeah.
questions, not less.
And what's the
yeah.
plural of questions? It's as'ilatun.
Okay.
Here's over here.
And-
Here, there is. Let me show you. Ajib, this here. Take the alif lam of as'ila. As'ilatun is the plural of su'al.
And it's still masculine, even if it's got a tama.
No, it's got a time marbuta, so it's female.
Oh, so it's feminine.
Yeah, so you need
Okay,
so you need to say thamani.
Okay.
Time marbuta, thamani. So if you have a look over here,
Yes,
let's show you on top. Where is it gone? This time marbuta here, you need to remove that and have just thamani.
Okay, so it's so the number is masculine, and then the
thing which you can do is feminine, yeah. So
Yeah.
في هذا الدرس ثماني أسئلة.
Tin.
Correct.
So في هذا الدرس 8 أسئلة.
Correct.
And then كم راكبا في الحافلة. So how many
Passengers. Passengers.
passengers in
the bus.
In the bus.
Yep.
So في الحافلة. This are two. And how do you say plural of bus?
So not plural of bus. Rakib passengers. Rakibun. The plural of rakibun is rukabun.
Okay. So
this atu rukabun.
This atu rukabin.
Correct. Number 6.
كم ريالا في جيبك? How many reals in your pocket?
Yep.
So it would be في JB in my pocket. And then I'll say
Sab'ata.
Sab'ata, and then the plural of real. Okay.
So real. So let me show you the plural of real. Where's it gone?
Realat.
Yeah, so it's feminine. So realat is feminine. So you will have to say it sab'a.
Okay.
Yeah, it has to be sab'a, not sab'a. It'll be sab'a.
Sab'a.
Sab'o. Sab'o. So fi JB, sab'o reala 10. Correct. And number 7?
كم ثمن هذا الكتاب? How many price? Does that mean
كم ثمن هذا what? How much is the price of this book?
Okay. So هذا الكتاب, so this book, and then 10.
You can say so. ثمن هذا الكتاب. ثمن هذا الكتاب. So this here. So remember this point here. Over here, the word "kam" is not coming as a question. As "kam rial," and can you see "kam thamano"?
Yeah.
This is not as a form of asking the price. So there's 2 types of "kam." One "kam" is asking the quantity. Here is asking information. When it's asking information, then the noun which comes after it doesn't get a dhamma fatha tanween. So that's the reason why it's kam thamano.
Yes, it's not accusative with
Yeah.
the verb.
That's so you will say thamano hadha al-kitab, and whatever the price is. Ashara
Rialatin.
ashara rialatin. Correct. Is that clear?
Yeah, that's clear. Yeah. We just need to
Right.
practice.
Yeah, and definitely.
Can I ask a question here?
Yes.
So it's ashra or ashru? over here?
Ashro.
Ashru.
Yeah, Ashro Rialatin.
Rialatin. And also in Samani As'alatin, Samani will
Thamani
be,
is without the time marbuta. So with Thamani, let me show you how it's written. Give me 1 second. Where is it gone? It's in this lesson number 10. Over here. Laha thamaniyatu ikhwatin wa thamani akhawatin. So akhwat is sisters. Because sisters is feminine, the numbers is coming masculine without the time marbuta. Like thamaniyatu ikhwatin, 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
the year will not have a dhamma. It will just be Samani.
That's right.
Okay. Thank you.
Sheikh, please,
Yes.
please, I want explanation of 6 again. Question number 6.
So number 6, come real and fi jaybik.
Ji.
So the word real is the plural of real is rialat, and it's non-living as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Now because rialatun, it has time. So let me go back. Rialatun, it has alif and ta. Alif and ta indicates that it's feminine.
Yeah.
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 So due to that, when we actually do the numbers, where's it gone? So when we do the numbers, we will have a masculine number. So we will say sab'u real fi jaybi sab'u rialatin. Sab'u. So rialat is feminine. So the word, the number has to be masculine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Let me bring it next one, Sister Zuhra Virji. Can I have yourself on the mic and do this again, because this is quite a bit challenging. So I want you to do this exercise again so that everyone gets good practice on this.
Maulana, J Bika.
Pardon?
What is J Bika? Is it pocket?
JB in your pocket.
In your pocket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is Sister Abida here as well today?
Isn't that an Urdu word?
Nay, it's Arabic. Fi jaybik means your pocket in the Arabic.
But even in Urdu, it is jeb, ne?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Jazak.
Bismillah.
Okay. So, number 1 is Kam akhan laka ya Hamid. How many brothers do you have, O Hamid? Li khamsa ikhwatun.
Khamsatu ikhwatin.
Li khamsatu ikhwatin.
Correct.
The next one, Kam amman laki ya Layla. How many uncles do you have, O Layla? Li arba'atu a'mami.
Correct.
Number 3, Kam abna'an.
Ibnan.
Oh, Kam ibnan laka ya Sheikh. How many sons do you have, O Sheikh? Li sittatu abna'u.
Abna'in.
Abna'in. Okay, hold on. No, I've got here. There's kasra. 9. Number 4.
So, can I ask, please? So, sir, is this abnan singular?
Kam ibnan. How many sons?
So, is it? Why is it not singular?
It is singular.
It is singular. Okay.
Yeah, it's
So
coming.
this uncle is also singular.
Yes, all of these are coming in singular.
Singular, yeah, because of come.
Yes, but they come in the meaning of a plural.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Number 4, Kam su'alan fi hadha dars. How many questions in this lesson? Fi hadha darsi thamani as'ilatin.
Thamani
as'ilatin.
Correct.
Number 5, Kam raqiban fil hafila. How many passengers in the bus? Tis'atu rukabin.
Correct.
Number 6, Kam riyalan fi jaybik. How many riyals in your pocket? Fi jaybi sab'u riyalatin.
Correct.
Number 7, Kam thamanu hazal kitabi. How much, what is the, like, how much is this book for? Is that
Yep.
correct?
Correct.
Thamanu hazal kitabi ish ashra riyalatin. Ashru riyalatin.
Correct. Correct. Right. Can I have Sister Samina on the mic as well? Any questions from anyone?
Yes, please.
Who's this?
I know you've done it twice, but still, number 4 and 5. I mean, you know, is it ikhwatu or ikhwati?
Ikhwatin.
Tin.
Yes.
And min.
Min. Correct. Mudaf ilay.
I also have a question.
It's okay.
Sheikh.
Yep.
So for the plurals that have only one dhamma in the plural form, they will take only one kasra when they come in mudaf ilay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So the words like the ones which are diptos, which don't get a dhamma tanween in the first place, when they come as a mudaf ilay, they will just get one. They will just get one kasra.
Okay.
So, Sheikh, that's the rule, right? The mudaf will always be not with a tanween.
No, always get a kasra tanween.
Or a kasra tanween. Okay.
Is always, but unless the actual noun, the mudaf ilay comes with alif lam.
Okay, not the mudaf itself. The mudaf, not the mudaf.
That's so the mudaf itself. Sorry, the mudaf always comes with one dhamma.
Yes, that's what I said. Okay.
Okay. That's the default ruling. All of the mudaf comes with one dhamma. However, if it comes situated after a preposition, then it comes with a kasra, and if it comes as an object, it can come with a fatha as well.
Again, please.
It's confusing.
So
muzaf is always with one dhamma, but if it comes with what?
If it comes after a preposition, it can come with a kasra. And if it comes after a object of a verb, it can come with a fatha as well.
Fatha is when it is with what?
When it comes as an object.
Okay.
Right. Alaikum salam. Sister Samina, I want you to repeat this exercise again, 1 to 7 again, because I just want everyone to know this quite well. Mudaf always comes with a dhamma, but when it comes after preposition, it comes with a kasra. That's right.
Kam akhan laka ya Hamidu? How many brothers do you have, O Hamid?
Correct.
Li khamsatu ikhwatin.
Correct.
Kam amman laki ya Layla? Li arba'atu
amamin. Correct.
Kam abnan laka ya
ibnan.
Kam ibnan laka ya Sheikh? Li sittatu abna'in. Kam su'alan fi hadha darsi? Fi hadha darsi thamani
as'ilatin. Correct.
As'ilatin. Kam raqiban fil hafilati? Fil hafilati tis'a ruqabin. Tis'atu ruqabin.
Correct.
Kam riyalan fi jaybika? Fi jaybi samani riyalatin. Sab'u riyalatin.
Correct.
Kam samanu hazal kitabi? Hazal kitabi ashru riyalatin.
Excellent. Right, I'm going to skip this exercise because this is a really long exercise, so I'm not going to do this exercise. Right. Can I ask Sister Zamina? Zamina, can you come on the mic, please?
Yes, sir.
Is Sister Batul Salman here as well? Or Jawad? Is she here? Okay. Right. Who is there's someone called with doubles, two dots. There's someone with the 2 dots. I don't know whose name is that. 2 dots. Someone with 2 dots. I'm not too sure. Okay, Sister Zamina, Bismillah. Points to remember. Can you read this, please?
In this lesson, we learn the numbers 3 to 10 with a masculine noun following them. The word for 1 is wahidun, and it follows the noun as an adjective. Example, 1 book, kitabun wahidun. The word for 2 is ithnani, and this also follows the noun as an adjective. For example, 2 books, kitabani ithnani. But usually the word ithnani is omitted because the dual form is enough to suggest the meaning of 2, but ithnani is used for emphasis. Numbers 3 to 10, these numbers are used as mudaf. For example, 3 books, thalathatu kutubin, 4 houses, arba'atu buyutin, 5 pens, khamsatu aqlamin, 10 men, asharatu rijalin. The noun that denotes the thing numbered is called ma'dud. 3 students went out. خرج 3 طلاب. In 4 houses. في 4 بيوت. I saw 5 men. رأيت 5 رجال. Note in كم ثمن هذا? What is the price of this? There is an omission. The word omitted is riyalan or any other word denoting monetary unit.
Excellent. So that's the reason why it's kam thamano rather than kam thamanan, because there's a noun which has been omitted. Is that clear? Sister Zamina, is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah, so it changes from having a fatha, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. And the other thing is that over here, thalathatu, arba'ati, and khamsata. So it's going to the different i'rab depending upon where it is situated in a sentence itself.
Yeah, so it can take any of the 3 forms.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Sheikh, is this samanu the translation worth?
No, price.
Price, no worth, eh?
No, not worth. Can you do the vocab, Sister Zamina?
Yeah. Kullun is all. One is thanks. Kulluhum, all of them. Al-yawmu is day. Plural is ayyamun. Kullukum, all of you. Al-thamanu, price. Kulluna, all of us. Al-nisfu, half. Al-baladu, country. Plural is biladun. Al-kirshu is 1/10 of a riyal. Plural kurushun. Mukhtalifun, different. Al-hafilatu, bus. Qudama, plural of kadimun, old. Minhum, of them. Al-rikabu, passenger, traveling by a bus or plane. Plural rakabun. Uruba, السؤال Hollanda, Holland, الجيب, pocket.
Okay, excellent. Right. Right. Can I? Okay, so now, would it be possible to have 2 students? I'm going to choose Sister Mukarrama Walji.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam. And can I have Sister Batul Salman?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Sister Mukarrama Walji, can you do Layla and Batul Salman will be Salma?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Salma, afi faslika talibatun min as-Sin wal Yaban.
Salma. نعم.
No, so
في
Sister,
فصل-
Sister Mukarrama, translate the question, please.
Oh, Selma, do you have students from China and Japan in your class?
Salma replies, نعم, yes. في فصلنا 5 طالبات من الصين و4 طالبات من اليابان و8 طالبات من إندونيسيا. In our class, 5 students from China and 4 students from Japan and 3 students from not 3, sorry, and 8 students from Indonesia.
Right, can you explain to me why did you read khamso? Why did you not read khamsato and arba'ato and thamaniyato?
Because the noun talibatin is in feminine, so the number comes in masculine gender, and if it would have been in masculine, the number would be khamsa, to feminine.
Correct.
وفي فصلنا Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند و6 طالبات من الفلبين و7 طالبات من الكويت. And in our class, we have 3 female students from India and 6 female students from Philippines and 7 female students from Kuwait.
One question, Sister Mukarrama, why are you reading thalatho? Why could we not bring thalathato, sittato, and sab'ato? What is the reason why we did not use those types of numbers?
Because the nouns are feminine, so the numbers used are masculine.
So how do we know thalatho and sittato and sab'o are masculine?
Because they do not have the ta marbuta at the end.
Thank you ever so much. I'm doing this so that it sinks into everyone's mind and everyone memorizes it.
Jazakallah.
Bismillah, continue.
Kam ukhtan laki ya Layla? How many sisters do you have, O Layla?
Li salasu akhawatin. I have 3 sisters.
Why are you doing again 3? Why is it thalatho?
Because akhawatin is a feminine noun.
Yep.
So the numbers are in masculine.
Excellent.
So if we want to write salasa in a female form, so how will I write?
You write it with a thala and a ta marbuta at the end. Thalathatu.
Salasatu. Okay, salasatu. Okay.
Wa kam akhan laki? And how many brothers do you have?
Li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers.
Laki thalathu akhawatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 3 sisters and 5 brothers.
Okay. Why is it khamsatu ikhwatin? Why can we say khamsu?
Because it is brothers, so the noun is in masculine gender, so the number will be in feminine. And for sisters, it is thalathu instead of salasatu, because sisters is feminine gender.
Correct. Bismillah.
Naam. Wa kam akhan wa ukhtan laki. Okay. Yes. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhawatin. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
Can you explain why one is arba'atu and one is arba'u? Why?
The first one is brothers. Ikhwatin is brothers, so we have the number in feminine gender. Arba'atu ikhwatin, and akhawatin is sisters, so the number is in masculine gender. Arba'u akhawatin.
Correct.
Li zamilatun ismuha Khadija. I have a colleague whose name is Khadija. لها 8 إخوة وثمانية أخوات. She has 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
I like Dr. Rahim with sarcasm. Allahu Akbar. Okay, yes. And why is it thamaniyatu and thamani? Why is it one with a time marbuta, one without?
Because ikhwatin is masculine, so the number is feminine, samaniyatu. And because akhawatin is a feminine noun, so the numbers are in masculine.
Excellent. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes.
Is that clear now for everyone?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Yes, sir, very
Yes,
clear.
clear.
Yes.
Right. Now I'm going to choose Sister Humazadi and Sister Zinat. Sister Zinat, you have another chance as well. Sister Zinat and Sister Humazadi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you could become any of you. Who wants to become Layla? Who wants to become Salma? Is your choice.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Layla then.
Yep, go ahead, Layla.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Layla. Ya Salma. Fi fasliki talibatun min sini wal yabani. O Asma.
O Salma.
O Salma. O Salma. In your class, how many students are from China and how many from Japan?
Correct. So just 1 second. The other translation are in your classroom students from Japan and China.
Okay.
So are in your class students.
Are in your class students from China and Japan.
Correct.
نعم في فصلنا في فصلنا 5 طالبات من الصين و4 طالبات من اليابان و8 طالبات من إندونيسيا. Yes, in our classroom we have 5 students from China and 4 students from Japan and 8 students from Indonesia.
Layla. وفي فصلنا 3 طالب من الهند و6 طالبات من الفلبين و7 طالبات من الكويت. So and in a class we have 3 female students from India and we have 6 female students from Philippines and we have 7 female students from Kuwait.
Correct.
كم أختا لك يا ليلى? How many sisters do you have, Layla?
Layla. Li salasu akhwatin. For me, 3 sisters.
وكم أخا لك? And how many brothers do you have?
Li khamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers.
لك 3 أخوات لك 3 أخوات و5 إخوة. لك 3 أخوات.
You have.
I have 3 sisters.
There's a mistake there.
You have.
Yeah, lucky. Yeah, it should be alaki. It makes no sense. Yeah, lucky. Oh no, it could be. No, it could be. That's fine. Lucky. That's right.
Lucky. So you have, right?
Yeah, you
no,
have.
Lucky, maybe you have, right?
Yep, that's right.
You have 3 sisters and 5 brothers.
Correct.
Layla. Naam. Wakim akhan wa ukhtan laki. Yes. For me, there's a brother and sister
No.
Yes.
No.
How many brothers and how many sisters?
How
do
many
you?
brothers and you
Yeah,
have?
Bakam, yeah. Naam, Bakum, Akhan, wa Ukhtan Laki. Yes. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Correct.
لي 4 إخوة و4 أخوات. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
لا. لي زميلة اسمها خديجة. لها 8 إخوة 8 إخوات.
أخوات.
I have 1 colleague. Her name is Khadija. For her are 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
Correct. Excellent. Any questions from your sisters? No? Okay, then can I have, okay, last 2 people. I'm going to bring sister Fatima Mirali. Fatima Mirali, are you there? Or Sadiq Mirali, she's using it at the moment. Sister Sadiq Mirali, are you there? I've accidentally changed someone's ID to 2 dots. Who are they? That's someone's.
That's me. I'm using another device. So
All right. Okay,
that's
that's
Sharabanu Khaku. Sorry.
okay. Is it Sharabanu Khaku? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Sister Sharabanu Khaku and Sister Sadiq Mirali. Okay, Sharabanu Khaku, and if she's not answering, then I'll bring Sister Sadia Sajad. Sister Sadia Sajad, I want you to become Salma. Layla, sorry, Layla.
Laila, okay. يا سلمى في فصلك طالبات من الصين واليابان. Oh Salma, in your class, are there any students from China and Japan?
نعم في فصلنا 5 طالبات من الصين و4 طالبات من اليابان و8 طالبات من Indonesia. Yes, in our classroom, we have 5 students from China, 4 students from Japan, and 8 students from Indonesia.
وفي فصلنا 3 طالبات من الهند و6 طالبات من الفلبين و7 طالبات من الكويت. In our class, there are 3 students, female students from India, and 6 female students from Philippines, and 7 female students from Kuwait.
Okay. Kam ukhtan laki ya Layla? How many sisters do you have, O Layla?
Li salasu ahawatin. I have 3 sisters.
Wa kam akhan laki, and how many brothers do you have?
Li hamsatu ikhwatin. I have 5 brothers.
Laki salatu akhwatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin. For you, you have 3 sisters and 5 brothers?
Correct.
Naam, yes. Wa kam akhan wa ukhtan laka. And how many brothers and sisters you have?
Li arba'atu ikhwatin wa arba'u akhwatin. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
Li zamilatu tusmuha Hadijatu laha samaniyatu ikhwatin wa samani akhwatin. I have a colleague, her name is Hadija. She has 8 brothers and 8 sisters.
Excellent. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. So quickly, I'm going to do this and then end the class. So here, talibat is feminine. The numbers come in masculine. ثلاث طالبات أربع طالبات خمس طالبات ست طالبات سبع طالبات ثماني طالبات تسع طالبات عشر طالبات. Is that clear for everyone now?
Yes.
Brilliant.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes.
Apologies that I've taken 1 hour and 1 hour 30 minutes. And I did not give you a break as well to anyone. So apologies from my side that I had to prolong the lesson. My intention was 1 hour, but because we were in a situation that I had to either leave the exercise incomplete or complete the lesson with the exercises. So that's the reason why it took a bit longer today. So I do apologize. I took 1 hour and a half. But inshallah, I hope everyone understood everything.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it was worth it.
Something. You are sacrificing. We are not sacrificing.
Yes.
Just pray that my family are okay with the sacrifice. They don't.
All our duas for you.
Just pray
Yes,
for
we pray for your wife to have patience with so many classes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Where to Jannat?
اللهم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صل على محمد وآل محمد اللهم كن لوليك الحجة بن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وأين حتى تسكنه أرضك توعا وتمتع فيها طويلا واجعلنا من أنصار وشيتك وجندك برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. So inshallah we are on track. So we've got 2 more lessons left. So we've got lesson number 11, lesson number 12, and then it's your 13. So you've got 3 lessons left, and then you will see the end of the book.
And sir, when will you do the testing of us?
The testing will be after Shahr Ramadan.
Ya Allah.
Sheikh, can I ask a quick Arabic grammar question?
Yes, go ahead.
It's regarding my other class.
Yep.
So